Welcome to this week's edition of Neuroscience Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest, MS Australia has awarded a $24,400 grant to investigate how Epstein-Barr virus and genetics interact in the development of multiple sclerosis. The project will use a recall by genotype approach to compare individuals with high and low genetic risk who do not have MS. The goal is to identify early immune changes and address ethical considerations in communicating genetic risk. BioNxt Solutions has secured acceptance of pending patents in Europe and Eurasia for its Cladribine thin film therapy for multiple sclerosis. This sublingual delivery method optimizes absorption, improves treatment adherence, and avoids first-pass metabolism, supporting a global commercialization strategy across major pharmaceutical markets. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has granted orphan drug designation to Precision Biosciences gene editing therapy PBGene-DMD for Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Designed to restore dystrophin production in up to 60% of cases, the therapy has shown long-term muscle function improvement and higher dystrophin levels in mouse models. Orphan designation provides market exclusivity and financial incentives. MapLight Therapeutics has raised $372.5 million to advance its central nervous system drug pipeline. The funding will support development of muscarinic receptor agonist ML-007-CMA for schizophrenia and Alzheimer's disease psychosis. Backers include Sanofi and Goldman Sachs' Life Sciences division. The company's platform targets neural circuits directly linked to disease for precision therapies. Plus Therapeutics has launched CNSide, a cerebrospinal fluid diagnostic assay for central nervous system metastases in Texas. The test delivers 92% sensitivity and 95% specificity and is currently available at major Texas cancer centers. A national rollout is planned within 12 months. In more than 90% of cases, the test has influenced treatment decisions. Denali Therapeutics tividinofusp alpha, a brain-penetrant therapy for Hunter syndrome, has received FDA priority review. If approved, it could be the first treatment to address neurological symptoms of the disease. The Prescription Drug User Fee Act decision date is set for January 5, 2026, and the review underscores the potential of Denali's transport vehicle platform for other rare CNS disorders. Lantern Pharma has introduced PredictBBB.ai, an artificial intelligence tool with 94% accuracy in predicting whether small molecule drugs can cross the blood-brain barrier. The public freemium release aims to broaden access, foster collaborations, and help reduce central nervous system drug failure rates and development costs. Alexion has released Rare Connections, a short awareness film featuring real patient stories of generalized myasthenia gravis. The film highlights the fluctuating and often invisible nature of the disease and premiered at the Myasthenia Gravis Foundation of America's International Conference. Pendopharm has received Health Canada approval for Buccolam, a midazolam oromucosal solution for prolonged convulsive seizures in children. The ready-to-use format is expected to improve the speed and effectiveness of intervention and may reduce hospitalizations. Pendopharm holds exclusive Canadian distribution rights through an agreement with Neuroscience. Finally, Cassava Sciences has reported positive preclinical results for simufilam in tuberous sclerosis complex-related epilepsy. In a TSC mouse model, the therapy reduced seizure progression in a dose-dependent manner. The results support initiating the first clinical trial in the first half of 2026, potentially offering the first oral therapy for patients unresponsive to current treatments. Stay ahead in neuroscience research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info